Every professional football shoe begins as a collection of advanced materials, precision engineering, and skilled craftsmanship. Every day, thousands of football shoes move through a carefully planned production system, combining automation with skilled craftsmanship. Every stage is designed to maintain precision, consistency, and high production efficiency. Modern manufacturing depends on organized workflows, advanced machinery, and strict quality standards. Production begins with high-performance synthetic microfiber, engineered for durability, flexibility, and lightweight performance. Every material is carefully tracked before entering the manufacturing line. Automated feed systems deliver a perfectly smooth material surface for consistent processing. The material is inspected for surface texture, uniform thickness, and manufacturing consistency. Every production batch is measured to ensure it meets precise engineering specifications. Multiple layers are combined to create the comfort, structure, and durability required for high-performance footwear. Heat and pressure permanently bond these materials into a durable multi-layer construction. Once laminated, the material is ready for graphic printing and precision cutting. Digital production systems monitor every stage in real time to maintain consistent manufacturing quality. The next stage gives the shoe its distinctive appearance through precision digital printing. In the next stage, advanced printing technology transforms plain material into the recognizable upper of a modern football shoe. The first visual identity of the football shoe is created through high-precision digital printing. Computer-controlled printheads place every graphic with exceptional accuracy and repeatability. Ultraviolet curing permanently bonds the graphics to the synthetic upper for long-lasting durability. Machine vision systems verify that every printed detail matches the original design specifications. Even the smallest printing deviation is detected before production continues. A wide tracking shot follows the approved printed material toward a large automated laser cutting department. After
computer-guided lasers cut each component with remarkable speed and precision.
Digital cutting ensures every pattern is identical, reducing waste while maximizing consistency. Automated handling protects each precision-cut component from damage during transport. Every upper panel is cut to exact dimensions before moving to assembly. Individual components are grouped into complete shoe assemblies before stitching begins. Random quality checks verify that every component remains within strict manufacturing tolerances. With every component prepared, production continues to one of the most skilled stages of manufacturing. Next, precision stitching transforms individual components into the complete upper that gives the football shoe its structure, comfort, and strength. Precision stitching begins transforming individual components into a complete football shoe upper. Computer-controlled stitching ensures every seam is consistent in strength and appearance. Automated feeding systems maintain accurate positioning throughout the stitching process. Every stitched section is inspected to verify seam quality before assembly continues. Reinforcement materials are bonded to areas that experience the greatest stress during play. Thermoformed heel counters provide stability while helping the shoe maintain its structure.
Additional reinforcement protects the toe area from repeated impact and abrasion.
Precision eyelet installation ensures smooth lacing and long-term durability. Casting gives the upper its precise shape, creating the fit and profile of the finished shoe. Automated tension control ensures the material is stretched evenly across every shoe. Heat setting helps the upper retain its final shape before sole attachment. Digital measurement verifies that every upper matches the original design specifications. With the upper complete, the next stage focuses on creating and attaching the performance outsole. Next, precision-molded performance outsoles will be manufactured and permanently bonded to the upper, bringing the football shoe one step closer to completion. Next, precision-molded performance outsoles will be manufactured and permanently bonded to the upper, bringing the football shoe one step closer to completion.
The outsole begins as high-performance thermoplastic polyurethane, commonly known as TPU, selected for durability, flexibility, and traction. The outsole begins as high-performance thermoplastic polyurethane, commonly known as TPU, selected for durability, flexibility, and traction.
Molten TPU is injected under carefully controlled pressure to form the outsole with exceptional precision.
Once cooled enough to hold its shape, the outsole is automatically removed for the next stage. Controlled cooling stabilizes the material and preserves the outsole's precise dimensions.
Every production batch is checked to verify that the outsole meets exact engineering specifications.
Before bonding, both components receive a precisely controlled adhesive coating to ensure a durable connection. Optical guidance systems align every outsole with remarkable accuracy before final assembly. Heat, pressure, and carefully controlled timing permanently bond the upper to the outsole. Uniform pressure ensures a strong, reliable bond across the entire contact surface. For the first time, the football shoe has taken its complete structural form. Automated finishing removes any production residue and prepares the shoe for final assembly. Precision lacing completes the functional assembly of the football shoe. Every finished shoe receives a final cosmetic inspection before performance testing begins.
The manufacturing process is nearly complete, but every shoe must first prove its performance through rigorous testing.
Every chapter. In the final chapter, every football shoe will undergo demanding tests for flexibility, durability.
Before reaching athletes, every football shoe must pass a comprehensive series of quality and performance tests.
Flex testing simulates repeatable movement to verify long-term durability under demanding conditions.
Water resistance testing evaluates how well the upper performs in challenging weather conditions. Traction testing helps engineers evaluate grip and stability on playing surfaces. High-speed analysis provides valuable information about stud performance during movement. Advanced vision systems inspect every visible detail before final approval.
Weight and dimensional accuracy are verified to ensure manufacturing consistency.
Each pair receives a final presentation check before being prepared for shipment. Each pair receives a final presentation check before being prepared for shipment. Automated packaging protects every pair during transportation while maintaining efficient production. Robotic palletizing prepares thousands of pairs for efficient warehouse storage and distribution.
Finished products are stored in carefully organized warehouses until customer orders are ready to ship.
Every shipment is carefully organized to ensure safe delivery to destinations around the world.
Every professional football shoe is the result of advanced manufacturing, skilled craftsmanship, and rigorous quality control.